I was here yesterday. We were in the office the day before yesterday. I was at home in the morning. He was in the classroom in the afternoon. She was in the office at midday. I was a student then. I was a student at that time. We were students then. We were students at that time. They were students then. They were students at that time. She was a teacher then. She was a teacher at that time. Were you here yesterday? Were you at home in the morning? Was he in the classroom in the afternoon? Was she in the office at midday? Was he a student at that time? Was she a teacher at that time? Were you a doctor at that time? Where was she yesterday? Where was he the day before yesterday? Where were they in the morning? Where were you in the afternoon?